Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Google Pixel 6 Pro. I have here the Stormy black color, and it is 256 gigabytes in size. And it says it includes the Pixel 6 Pro, a quick switch adapter for data transfer, and a charging cable. I also have a case here. This color is called Stormy Sky, so we're going to see how that looks once it's installed. So let's get these boxes open and get started on the setup. All right, we've got these boxes open, and we can see the device is sitting on top here, and it's got a little clasp to pull it out, and it looks like there is a bit of a cardboard screen protector on top. I'm going to put this aside. And so this is the USB-C charging cable. And this is the transfer cable for data transfer. It looks like USB-C to USB Type-A. And then it also comes with some reading information. I suspect there's some quick setup instructions, and as well as a SIM removal tool for you to put your SIM card in. And that's everything. And as for the case, looks like it just comes with some reading information and nice texture on it, very smooth. Actually, I like it. Might be a little slippery, but we're going to see how it looks once it's all put together. So let's try that now. Okay, so we've put the Pixel 6 Pro in the case, and it is quite smooth. I think that it may be a little too slippery. And we've turned it on, and it looks like it's booting up. Very nice display. Very excited to try this out. Fits in my hand nicely. I don't find this too big, although I am more comfortable with a larger phone. So this definitely is going to be a good experience to try out. All right, so I'm going to do the setup, and stay tuned for a full review video once I've had time to try it out and give it a full assessment. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video, and leave any questions or comments in the comment section below. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.